Criminal defense attorney Richard Herman is here in studio with me today. Authorities, previously said the teens would not be charged because Florida does not have a law that obligates a citizen to render aid or call for help for anyone in distress. So this is an issue of human dignity. Many argue that these kids should have intervened. But when you hear police chiefs say they're considering charges, what charges really could they?
Fred, there are no requirements in the state of Florida for you to render help to anyone in distress. And the Good Samaritan Act in the state of Florida just provides safety for someone who does try to render help and maybe worsens the situation. So it's not even negligence in the state of Florida for failure to try to help someone in distress. And it's like, that Whitney Houston song, I believe children are our future. If this is our future, we're in deep trouble here. These children, law enforcement is so frustrated that they're trying to charge these individuals with misdemeanor failure to report a death. That's it. These children are 14 to 18.
But that's after the fact. So there's the argument. That's after the fact. That's not intervening. That's not saving someone's life.
No.
So they're talking about, human dignity, morality versus the law. But in the young, their attorneys would argue, these young people, that, they were not obligated to do anything by law.
Right, they can't charge them with failure to render assistance, so they can't charge that. The only criminal charges here are misdemeanor failure to report a death, which these are children of 14 to 18. It'll be youthful offenders, sealed records, nothing, it'll be slap on the wrist, nothing for them. So the incredible thing that we see over and over again, and we cover it every week, is these morons today video their crimes and then post them on social media. And that's what these guys did.
And this is really tough for anyone to try to defend because a man died, horrible, and one would hope that if you see someone in trouble, someone would be able to go and help this person. But in step with what you were, inferring, you're talking about young people, and perhaps these young people may not have really understood the gravity of the situation. What is the argument that their families, or if they have attorneys, would be able to make in this situation?
These families are looking to get a can out for these kids, and it's just, there is no argument, there is no excuse. They warned him before he was getting close to the water, don't go in, you're going to drown. He was disabled, he lost control in the water, he was pleading for help. They mocked him, they taunted him, they videoed him, they knew he was dead, and they posted the video. It's cruel, it's the height of cruelty, and the only good thing that's coming out of this is the state of Florida is so shocked by this that they're trying to enact now new legislation to require people to step up and assist when someone is struggling for their life.
It is horrible, and it is very difficult to see that video, and it's just difficult to even envision or understand how in the world something like this can happen.
Incredible. Just incredible.
All right. Richard, we'll see you again.
Yes, Fred.
Glad that you're in Atlanta. Love having you in the studio. Thanks so much.
Love seeing you live.
We'll see you soon.
Yes.